Welcome. In this I'll show you how to find my Skrill account number. So as you can see, I'm the sufficient article. How do I locate my custom ID number, which is your school account number? Your customer ID is a unique number linked to your school wallet consisting of 6 to 9 digits based on how long ago you registered. This is how you can find it by your web browser login. So once you've logged into your account, click on your name in the top right corner of your screen. Your ID will be displayed there, so let me show you that screenshot in the top right corner. You want to click onto your profile and then you'll see your account name, Skrill, and here you can see your customer ID, and this is the customer ID. Then this is how we find a mobile app. So once you've logged into account, click on the profile in the top right corner of the screen. Your user ID will be displayed under your registered names. Please remember to use your customer reference for your bank wire transfers to ensure your money is deposited quickly and securely. Now if you have problems with this and you need further guidance, you can just click in the bottom right corner and then type in your email address and click on Start Chatting, and then you can chat with a bot. But if you want to chat with the live chat support, just explain your situation here, ask you a question and ask for help, because then you reconnect it to the live chat support and an agent will be able to guide you through the process of finding your customer ID. Now keep in mind that I link this article down description as well, so you can check it out on your own. And that's how to find your Skrill account number. If the setup was helpful, make sure you like the video and thank you for watching.